Okay, first step is that you have to get the initial feasible solution. Now I got the initial feasible solution, that is 711 rupees. Then what I need to do? I need to make the allocation with respect to the particular cell for UI and VJ. With respect to that value, we have to make the allocation. Okay, what is the value of UI? What is the value of the VJ? How I am going to evaluate? That can be get evaluated by the use of the equation Cij equal to UI plus Vj. Okay, this 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is with respect to that of I. Okay, here 1, 2, 3 is with respect to the J, but corresponds to that value which will be get altered. Okay, that is I and J are nothing but the numerical values 1 to 9. Okay, corresponding to the transportation table, what is to be existing. Is this clear? You can raise your hand. Okay, you have to remember Cij equal to UI, okay, plus Vj. Okay, this is the condition. Okay, then once you did know the solution for the initial basic solution, then in that you have to identify. First step I completed this. Second step, this equation. Okay, by using this equation, I have to make the evaluation of the individual values of the UI and Vj. Okay, that is the what? The second step. Okay, but we don't know UI value, we don't know Vj value. First, I have to identify the initial value corresponding to the UI or the corresponding to the Vj. Okay, so it might be with respect to the UI or it might be with respect to the Vj. Okay, that value you have to take as a 0. Okay, this is with respect to the what? This is with respect to the row. Vj with respect to the what? Column. Keep this in mind. Okay, UI with respect to the row, Vj with respect to the column. Okay, once you know this, but which value you have to make as a 0? That is important. Okay, in this allocation, how many are there? 6 allocations are there. Among those 6 allocations, for the particular row or the particular column, you have to identify how many number of allocations has been done. Okay, here, this is your first row. Okay, in this first row, how many allocations are done? 1. In this second row, how many allocations are done? 3. Okay, in this third row, how many allocations are done? 2. Okay, what is the sum? 6 allocations are there. Similar to that of the column, how many allocations are there here? 1. Here, 1. Here, 2. Here, 2. What is the total? Again, it is also be 6. Got my point? Among this 1, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2. Which is the highest allocation? Highest allocation. It is 3. Is this 3 is with respect to that of the row or column? That is with respect to the row. Got my point? Any doubt on it? If you have a doubt, you can ask. For this row, it is 3. Maximum allocation happened with respect to the transportation problem. You have to evaluate. Okay, in this value, you have to take maximum allocation is 3 here. Okay, so that for that maximum allocation 3, what I am going to do? Okay, this I am going to do UI, not first allocation it is. That is with respect to the second row. This is 1, 2, 3. Okay, with respect to that, U2 equal to 0. U2 equal to 0. Any doubt on it? Maximum allocation which will be happened to be taken with respect to that of 0 corresponding to the particular row or the particular column. U2 equal to 0. All of you got it means raise your hand. Okay. Now U2 is 0. Okay, you know that. Wait. Now is it comfortable screen? Okay, I have added one more extra. Raise your hand. Yes, thank you. Okay, here. What is this? Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, with respect to that, 1. Okay, that is C 1, 4. Is it correct? This, not this. 13. C 1, 4. Allocation, what is to be happened? Okay, this 11 quantities is allocated for this. Then what is this? C 2, 1. What is this? C 2, 3. What is this? C 2, 4. So what is this? C 3, 2. What is this? C 3, 3. Is this correct? Raise your hand. 13 is C14, 17 is C21, 14 is C23, 23 is C24, 17 is C32, then C33. Okay, now U2 is 0. Now what it is? U2 is 0. Okay, then I have to make the evaluation of corresponding to that value. Okay, to get by knowing this value, okay, then I can make the evaluation of V1. Can I get it or not? Possibility is there because Cij equal to Ui plus Vj. Okay, because this is not here. Corresponding to this only C21 because this cost I am going to use na, then I will get the V1. Okay, then corresponding to the second. Okay, the allocation what is to be happened. Okay, C2, 3. Okay, then I will get this one. Okay, that is V3. Okay, then C2, 4 corresponds to that V4. Okay, now I will clear here. See, here this is the allocation is happened. C2, 1. I know U2. Can I get V1? I will get. But here no allocation for this U2 is 0. So that it is not possible to make the evaluation of V2. Okay, but C2, 3 we know. Then U2 is 0. Then I can make the evaluation of V3. Okay, then C2, 4 is allocated. Then I can make the evaluation of V4. Any doubt on it, you can ask. How to evaluate, I will tell you. Is this clear? Raise your hand. Okay, thank you. Here, C21 equal to U2 plus V1. Is this correct? Raise your hand. Okay, drop. Next, what is the C21 value? C21 value is 17. What is U2 value? U2 value is 0 plus V1 we know, we don't know. V1 is the unknown value. Can I get this V1 value? V1 equal to 17. I got V1 equal to 17. For the what? For this particular allocation. Is this clear? That is V1 equal to how much value? 17. Can I get this V2 value? No. Why it is not possible? Because there is no allocation from this particular row. Keep this in mind. Don't think on other. Here it is allocated, sir. No. Because I should not know about these two. How can I get the another value? Which is not at all possible. That is the method. Okay, now you got this value. Second case is C23. Okay, what is C23 value? 14. C23 value is 14. What is U2 value? 0 plus V3. What is this value? V3. V3 equal to 14. Got it? Here 14 equal to 0 plus V3. Then I got V3 equal to 14. Any doubt? Getting me, all of you? Equal to 14. Okay, then V4 equal to how much? What is the total cost? 23, which is equal to 0 plus V4. What is this value? V4 equal to 23 only. Okay, what is that? V4 equal to 23. V4 equal to 23. Okay, anybody having any doubt on it, you can ask. If you got it, raise your hand. Thank you. Okay, this is how I got U2, then V1, V3, V4. Then what is the next allocated case? Next allocated. Okay, that is C32, then C33, C14. Okay, is it possible to evaluate this? Not possible, because I should know this particular column, this value. Okay, then with respect to at least this value. Okay, then only I can make the evaluation of this particular value. These two are unknown. It is not possible to make the evaluation. Okay, but C14. Okay, I know V4. Can I make the evaluation of U1? Because C14 equal to what? U1 plus V4. Is this correct? Raise your hand. Okay, what is this C14 value? C14 value is 13. 13 equal to, whether you know u1 value? No, that is the unknown u1 plus, what is the v4 value? 23. Okay, what is u1 value here? u1 equal to 13 minus 23. What is the value? Minus 10. Got it, my point? How I got value of u1? Because among these three unknown values, if you know two known values, then it is very easy to make the evaluation of the third unknown value. That is the method. Okay, now I got value of what? This u1. u1 equal to how much? Minus 10. Okay, now I got u1 value. Is it possible to make the evaluation of u3 value? Can I get this u3 value? From which cost I can make the evaluation of u3 value? From C32 or C33? Can anyone answer?
C33, sir.
Yes. Got it, na? Because C32 it is not possible. Why? V2 we don't know. Okay, so that we will get from C33. What is C33 value? 18 rupees equal to, okay, U3 value you know? No, U3 is unknown. Plus, what is V3 value? 14. What is U3 value? 18 minus 14. How much value this? This is 4. We got U3 equal to 4. Is this clear? U3 equal to 4. Okay, now I got U3. Okay, now is it possible to make the evaluation of this? Yes, it is possible because I know U3 value. Then I need to make the evaluation of V2 value. Okay, what is the value here? The transportation cost corresponds to this 17. 17 now, okay. It is 17. 17 equal to, okay, U3 value is 4 plus V2. What I want? I want V2. V2 equal to what? 17 minus 4. 17 minus 4 is how much? 13. Now I got 13. Any doubt on it? If you have doubt, you can ask. If not, you can raise your hand. V2 equal to 13. Now I got the values. Okay, U1, U2, V3, all these things. Okay, now you got the values of U1, U2, U3, V1, V2, V3, V4. Okay, then you have to make the identification of the values corresponding to the unoccupied cell. Okay, whatever unoccupied cell is there, for that unoccupied cell, you have to make the evaluation of the parameter corresponds to that to get the optimal solution. Okay, unoccupied cell are what? these are the unoccupied cell. It means we have not done any allocation for this cell. I am changing color here. Okay, all these are the unoccupied cell. For this unoccupied cell, we have to make the identification of the values. For this unoccupied cell, you have to make the evaluation of UI plus Vj. Okay, the sum of UI and Vj, that you have to write the left corner of that particular cell. It means at this left point corner, okay, you can write the values. Okay, at left corner value, what you are going to get now, that you have to write. Okay, what is this UI and Cj cell for this particular cell? 17, that is V1, that is U1 plus V1, that is U1 plus V1. What is this value? Minus 10 plus 17. How much this value? It is 7. Okay, at this left corner, you have to write the 7. Then next is unoccupied cell 13. That is the second cell. Okay, 13 minus 10. What it is? 3. Next, 14 minus 10. It is 4. Next, unoccupied cell is this 13 plus 0. What it is? 13. Then this is unoccupied cell. 17 plus 4. 17 plus 4. What it is? 17 plus 4. 21. 21. Unoccupied cell is this. Okay, 23 plus 4. 27. Any doubt on it, how to write the unallocated or the empty cell at the left corner? UI plus Vj, you have to calculate. Where you have to write that? Right, sum at left corner. Left corner I have to type here. Okay, what is that value? This is 7 here. I don't write here, I will take here because I have to represent it that. Okay, 7 there. Then this is 3. Then this is 4. Why? 14 minus 10. Then this is 13 plus 0, 13. Then here 17 plus 4, it is 21. Then in this case 23 plus 4, it is 27. Any doubt on it? If you have any doubt, you can ask. If it is clear, raise your hand. How to write these values? How I got it? Oh, thank you. Drop your hands. Okay, once you did this, okay, you have to make the evaluation of net evaluation value. Okay, the net evaluation value is itself is called as delta Ij equal to Cij minus Ui plus Vj. delta ij equal to Cij minus ui plus Vj. Okay, what is this value? 7, 3, 4, 13, 21, and 27. All these are sum of ui and Vj because these sum only are taken. Minus 10 plus 17 is 7. Then 0, 13 is 13. Similar to that, 4, 23 is 27. Like this you have evaluated. Then we are having a value of ui plus vj. But what I want, net change in value, that is the what? The delta ij equal to Cij minus ui plus vj. I have to identify. Okay, this if you make the evaluation, that you have to write right corner of your cell. Right corner of your cell. Okay, but in this case, okay, to make the allocation with respect to that right alignment, it's not possible. Okay, so that the another row I added, so that I will add here. Right corner. Okay, what is this? Cij minus sum of ui and vi. Sum of ui and vi is what? 7. Cij is what? 21. Only for unallocated cells only. For allocated cell, don't at all be considered. What is 21 minus 7? 14. 16 minus 3? 13. Then 24 minus 4? 24. Not 25 minus 4? 21. Then here 18 minus 13? 5. 32 minus 21? 32 minus 21? 11. Then 41 minus 27? 14. Okay, now I have written it at the right corner. Okay, these are the values what we have evaluated. Any doubt on it? If you have doubt, then you can ask. If not, if it cleared, raise your hand. Okay, drop your hands. Okay, now we got this delta. Okay, these are the what? Delta values. Okay, these are the what? Here I will write ui plus vj values. Delta values you know, then ui and vj values are known. You have to verify these delta values. Whatever the value you got for delta, is these values are greater than 0 or greater than or equal to 0 or less than or equal to 0 or less than 0. Okay, what is the condition here? All the values what we got? All are greater than 0 because 13, 14, 21, 5, 11, 14. All are positive values. If the values are positive, then it is optimal solution. First is optimal solution. Whether it is unique? Yes, it is unique. This is